Coming into the airspace is Redline. Redline Airshows out of Cincinnati, Ohio. Redline Airshows is a two-man formation aerobatic performance team. They fly experimental RV-8 series aircraft. They custom built these themselves. In fact, between them, they built more than a dozen of these aircraft. Now, if you take pictures today, they're asking, and I'll give their Facebook thing out in a minute, they want you to upload these to their website or send email pictures to them. They said some of the best pictures are from you guys. You can like them on Facebook, and you can find their website there as well. Redline Airshows. Now, Van's RV-8 two-seat tandem aircraft, extremely versatile, more than 9,000 flying worldwide, capable of speeds of 230 miles an hour. He's probably going to hit that out here a little bit. And can land short as slow as 50 miles per hour, enabling you to access almost any airport. They have a 200 horsepower engine, hard cell advanced structural composite propellers. These guys do some aero. Wheeling Engineering, Stein Air, Flightline Interiors, Heart Cell Engine Technologies. Straight up.
Ready, steady, go. Lyrical style in my flow, yo. Yo, ready.
Once again, get some good pictures for them. Tell you where to send them after the show. The ones they like, they'll post them up on their Facebook page.
Ready, steady, go. Ready, steady, go. Ready, steady, go.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
Ken and John are both from Cincinnati. They keep their airplanes over at Butler County.
I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab me, grabs in the pocket, can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one picking what gossip.com. Now I got a for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit. We getting this done.
Upside down and all around.
Talk like the wind in my chest to that sun. G5 in the US to Taiwan. Now who can say that? I wanna play back. Mama knew I was a needle in a haystack. I'm a body boy, plus way back. I got a feeling it's a rap. ASAP.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a feeling that I never.
That's a half Cuban 8 right there.
Get a good feeling, yeah. Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
Now, if you're not used to it, that'll give you a headache. That's full for a hammerhead.
Mountains top, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike for you. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That glow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever, can't hold me down. 100 miles running from the bitches now. Straight game pace, it's game.
As you can probably tell, Ken and John both, they've been flying together in formation like this for over 10 years. They managed to get up there for about 15 minutes. Look at that. Beautiful flag. About 20 feet apart there.
I get a good feeling, yeah.
Okay, they're coming up for a barrel roll pass here. All the way up. They roll in formation.
Trees went by, me and Del were singing a little runaway. I was blind, yeah, running down.
Here comes a quarter roll loop.
They never would come to me, working on mystery, going wherever it leads.
And again, if you're having trouble hearing us out there, you can pick us up on AM 1620 News Radio. They're doing it live.
I felt so good,
Do it every year.
wherever it leads, running down the street.
Yep, this is the inverted pass. Here we go. Upside down, headed at each other. Wow.
I rolled on, the sky grew dark. I put the pedal down to make some time. They slipped down the drain. They never would come to me. Working on a mystery, going wherever it leads. I'm running down the drain.
Gonna scope out the pier now, kind of close. There you go.